Alright, here we go. Is there wind still? Yes, so I gotta take off right to left.
A westerly pass with the burners and head towards the sun and
Okay.
I'll
I can.
see if I can catch it.
Okay. So let me take off first.
Take off flaps.
Right, you ready?
Timer cleared. Timer cleared. Timer
So I gotta
cleared.
take off, and then I'll turn around, and then I'll come back slowly.
Hey Mikey, say I hate Chevrolets. Like
Hey.
try to act intelligent.
Alright, here we
Timer
go.
Talk
cleared.
about the blue oval. You can talk about that blue oval all you want. It's like you can't talk crap about Italians and you can't talk shit about Chevrolets.
Alright, here we come. I'll come from the right. Hold on, Mike. You ready?
Yeah.
Stay right there, because I'm going to do a pass for JJ to take a picture.
Do you have flaps on this?
Yeah, it has everything.
Right,
I hope you got it.
You want me to take off?
Hold on. Okay, let me do one more pass. He's trying to get a picture. Whatever you want, whatever you can do, whatever's easiest for you. This one will be pretty close. Don't wig out. It's going to be close.
GoPro capturing it?
Yeah.
No, it's some type of camera that he has.
All right, here it comes. It's going to be close.
God, that's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful?
I love it.
Time remaining 2.
All right. I got to go fast now. Too slow.
Alright, should I take off now?
You can. Go ahead. As soon as you're up, I'm going to do a pass from the left.
Is your 9 talking to you?
Yeah.
The 6 doesn't talk to you, huh?
I think the new one does. Not the DX6i, though. The new DX6 does. Okay, a low pass, fast low pass from the left.
Have you clocked that yet?
I think it's a little over 120. It's a big plane. My F-5 is the fastest plane that I have. Go ahead. My F-5 is the fastest plane I have.
Holy crap.
That one does right around 140.
What about the pink jet? Does that go fast?
That's about 120. All right, I'm going to do a climb right here in front of us.
Alright.
It is so badass.
I'm gonna do touch and go from the left.
And just as you're done, I'm doing another fast pass.
Climb, climb, climb. Yeah, that thing goes super fast.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
I'm trying to climb with you.
I'm trying to slow down to be with you. There you go. That's as slow as I can go.
Oh, I'm higher than you right now.
A little apprentice can carry its own weight.
All right, I'm doing a fast pass from the left. Stay where you are.
Alright, I'm gonna be right behind you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
You're done?
Yep. Well, I did some slow flight. I can go a little longer.
The jet? Yeah. That is a very fast plane.
All right, after your landing or touch and go, I'm coming in.
That's the Ray Frankenstein special.
Gear down.
I know my bad.
That's the Freewing one, right, Ray?
Yeah,
It's not FMS?
it's Freewing.
Landing flaps.
This is my first 90 millimeter.
Really?
Yeah,
Wait, that's a 90 mil?
yeah.
Wow, look at that, man.
That was real. Very nice.
Do you think they have brakes for RC planes?
Yeah, they do.
Have you
Flaps
ever thought
up.
about putting them on?
I don't need them for this one, but I know people that have them.
I flew it earlier today, yeah.
does the lighting system have its own standalone battery?
No, it runs off the main battery.
Does your afterburner have a separate battery though?
No, everything runs off the main.
Those are battery figs, aren't they?
What's that?
They're battery figs, aren't they?
What part? Oh, yeah, this one, yeah.
As
Yeah.
a whole, they are.
This one pulls 150 amps peak, which is way more than...
That's more than both the EDS on mine.